Hi, I'm Martin Ramsden and I manage custom service projects for BioTechne. We make unique custom proteins, antibodies and immunoassays for the biotech and diagnostic markets. As a CRO, we are also a manufacturer, so we make the proteins and antibodies in-house. We have decades of experience developing immunoassays. Everything is governed by a stringent quality management system, and we also have the capability to scale up to deliver the product in the quantities that our customers demand. One of the main advantages of custom services with BioTechne is partnering with us to save time, and that's the thing that our customers value the most. For biomarker testing, we can do that through our dedicated service group. We like to do those projects because we can pass on savings to the customers. We make the assays, so we don't have to charge them as much for the assays as our competitors. My favorite projects are conversion of hybridoma to recombinant antibodies. It provides the customer with a superior product which is consistent and immortal because we have the sequence and it can never be lost. And if you have an antibody which is a critical reagent, it's extremely important to ensure it via conversion to recombinant antibody. And the thing I like about In Vitro Technologies, I would say, is the people, the relationships that are growing between our group and the distributor, and that we can reach more customers.